7/8.
Ready?
Yep. 40. Yep. We're from 40 7/8 down to 38 1/4.
Really? 2 inches, 3 inches. Check the front, Robbie. See what we got on the front.
It leveled the truck out.
I'm videoing it. I'm on YouTube.
37 inches.
All right, watch what you got. What'd it go to?
35.
2 inches. Now, tell that boy all he needs to do is take that utility bed off, put him some springs on his truck, and he'll have a lift that works.
Oh, he's gonna hear you because it's recording.
That's good. Tell him to get the right kind of equipment, and he can do some stuff with it instead of using the junk that he's got.
I'm gonna say YouTube this. A guy on the internet YouTubed the truck like that, except he had a utility bed. He tried to pick up another car, and the front end come up off the ground.
Let's go.
Just the way you use your equipment, man. Bigger is better.
That's what she said anyway.
Tell him size does matter.